Hi everyone, welcome back to a small engine repair tutorial. Today we have this FS38 trimmer that has a broken pole starter cord, and today we have this replacement pole starter, and I'll show you how to rewind this pole starter. There are a couple of videos on YouTube showing you how to all different ways to rewind the spring, and today is a bit different, and this is I think it's the most simple and easy way to rewind a spring, and maybe in the future this will open an opportunity for innovations to rewind the spring. And what we have here today, in order to rewind the spring, what we have here today is I have this a bolt, and this one is a plate. It's coming off from the brush cutter head, three washers, and the trimmer head spring. So what I'm going to do is to take this original winder, and we just need to borrow this one for now, and we have to remove the string either from this end or on this end. So I would possibly choose to cut on this end, then to take the cord out, and just remove the string or the cord. Just pull the cord out, and then we will insert this one later once we rewind the spring. So what I've found is, so we're using the original winder, plastic winder, is to place the winder on how it's normally placed on inside the pole starter. So just like this. So what I'm going to do is to place plate, round plate. You can either use any other plate, but I would prefer to have a plate which is slightly smaller in diameter with the original winder, which I can hold, and also I can make a hole where I can place a pin. But for now, because I don't have that proper plate to secure the spring by having this one, and maybe in the next video, in the future video, I will make a proper plate of from aluminum or this Teflon, and then make a hole and put a pin. So for now I have to hold it with my thumb finger. So just place a plate here, then the washer, then at the back I have to place another washer here. Before we do this, because it's I have a slightly small bolt, so I don't have this bigger one, so I prefer to have some sort of bushing. So just enough to, it's about 3 centimeters. So I'll cut this a piece of bushing, just a piece of hose, just a bigger fuel line hose, and then I place this one into the then I have this okay, so that way, that's where the position, original position, and then I place the plate to secure it, and at the back I have placed the washer, and this spring will allows me to provide tension on the bolt. So I can easily spin the one without coming off the nut that's securing the plate to the bolt. So with less movement, so what I'm going to do is to hold this one, this part here, the end of the string, with the thumb, with your thumb, okay, and just keep it secure like that, while and make sure that you have this inner spring that is securely hooked into that plastic there. So then I have to place this, secure this with my thumb, and then just wind it. Oh, sorry, I spin in the wrong way. Okay, sorry about that. But anyway, securing that spring and just wind it, and then hold the winder, because it will rewind by itself with the tension of the spring. So maybe we can increase the tension of the spring here by screwing it further, so it gives us with more tension on the winder, so it won't rewind by itself when you accidentally release or don't hold the winder. So we have keep winding. So you can see that. In the future video, I have an idea of making better ways to do this one, is by having a plate with the pin and also with the ratchet part at the back here, so you don't have to keep gripping the winder while winding the spring, so it will automatically get into lock or ratchet. So you have to wind it back. Unfortunately, this one is off, and just for now, we will just place this screw directly just to secure the spring, and just wind this one. So now we are on the right diameter. So just grab one of these and then just place like that, and when you place it on the, just grab with your other thumb while placing this one into the spring and tight it. Okay, now you have to hold with the other thumb again, so you roughly have the right diameter of the spring. So place this one around the spring and tight it, and place this part here on the end of the spring. So make sure that the tie is just around the spring while gradually releasing that tension. And when you release the tension, so you have the spring in place. So you just remove this part, the bolt, and here we go. So you have the spring there. So we can cut this part here, this end, and the spring is secured. So that's how easy to rewind the spring. But because we don't have the proper gear and tools to rewind, so ideally I can build a tool with ratchet and also with the pin, so you can grab the end of the spring, so it reduce the stress of grabbing the spring. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy our video repair tutorial for today and rewinding the spring and installing the spring. You can view my other video for this FS38 for the complete assembly for the starter assembly. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you find it useful. For more upcoming videos, you'll be notified, and leave a comments if you have any questions, and if you think this is a really great idea on or better ways, so let me know, and we can improve this one together, and we'll make more improvement on this one. We'll make a test rig or the proper tools to rewind the spring, and for sure you will find it useful and easy to follow, and you can rewind your spring on your own pace. So thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye for now.